At Fielding Tree Care, we believe trees are more than just part of your property. They're part of your story. For over 25 years, we've cared for Denver's trees with one goal in mind: to protect, preserve, and enhance the beauty of Colorado's landscapes. Our team takes pride in delivering honest, professional, and fear-free tree care. We don't just trim branches. We help your trees live longer, grow stronger, and look their best. We handle everything: precision tree trimming to keep your trees healthy and balanced, safe and efficient removals when the tree becomes hazardous, and stump grinding that leaves your yard clean and ready for new growth. We provide deep root fertilization to strengthen your soil, pest and disease treatments to protect against Colorado's toughest threats, and lawn care services that complete the picture of a thriving landscape. We're not just here for emergencies, we're here for the long run. Our certified arborists know Colorado's unique climate, its soil, and how to help your trees thrive through every season. At Fielding Tree Care, we do things differently. We educate our clients, we communicate clearly, and we treat your property like it's our own. Every cut, every climb, every consultation is driven by care, safety, and respect. Because when your trees thrive, your home does too. Fielding Tree Care, rooted in trust, growing with you.